These 5 AI tools are making people money while they sleep. And no, you don't need to code, record videos, or be a designer. First up, ChatGPT. Use it to write ebooks, blog posts, or even product descriptions. Then sell your content on sites like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. It's like having a ghostwriter that works 24/7 and never asks for royalties. Next, 11 Labs. This tool turns text into human-sounding voiceovers, perfect for YouTube videos, audiobooks, or TikToks. Record once, reuse forever. Some creators even sell voiceovers on Fiverr or Upwork. Tool 3 is Pictory. It takes your script and voiceover and auto-generates a video, stock footage, captions, transitions, done for you. Faceless YouTube channels love this combo. At number 4, Opus Clip. Upload your long video, and it finds the best short-form clips for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. It's like having your own editor, but it works instantly and never complains. Last up, Replit Ghostwriter. If you've ever wanted to create apps or tools but don't know how to code, this AI will help you build and ship products, from Chrome extensions to SaaS tools. Real people are making money with these. Want more?